A bingo app that lets you play for free does not automatically mean it pays real cash, because free coins, tickets, prizes, and withdrawable money are separate things. For 2026, the safest way to compare bingo apps is to check whether the reward is actually redeemable, whether a purchase is required, and what withdrawal conditions apply. Number 5 is Bingo Blitzsui Gacha. It offers free bingo gameplay with virtual credits and additional rewards. Before treating any reward as cash, check the current terms for the specific promotion and confirm whether the reward is withdrawable. Number 4 is Bingo Pape Datari. Its core gameplay uses virtual currency and free play mechanics. That makes it useful for casual bingo, but you should not assume that virtual coins have a cash value. Number 3 is Bingo Bashin. The app provides bingo rooms, virtual chips, and promotional rewards. Check the current reward rules to determine whether a particular promotion provides a redeemable prize or is only intended for gameplay. Number 2 is Bingo Country Data. It provides mobile bingo gameplay with virtual rewards. If you're specifically looking for real money withdrawals, open the current terms and check whether cash redemption is available in your location. Number 1 is any bingo platform that clearly explains its free play rewards and cash-out requirements before you spend money. The best option for your situation is the one where you can verify the rules yourself instead of relying on an advertised cash amount. There are 3 checks you should make before accepting any free money promotion. First, find out whether a deposit or purchase is required. A bonus connected to a purchase is not genuinely free just because the promotional headline says free. Second, check the withdrawal conditions. Some rewards may require specific gameplay, minimum balances, identity verification, or other eligibility requirements before redemption. Third, check your location. Real money gaming and prize promotions can have different availability and restrictions depending on where you live. Also, separate promotional rewards from your actual cash balance. A screen showing coins, tickets, or points does not necessarily mean those units can be transferred to a bank account or payment wallet. If you want to avoid spending money, stay with clearly labeled free-to-play modes and treat virtual currency as having no cash value unless the official terms explicitly say otherwise. The key points are simple. Free bingo does not automatically mean free cash. Virtual rewards are different from withdrawable money, and the current terms determine what you can actually redeem. Your practical next step is to open the app's rewards or withdrawal section and read the current requirements before spending or depositing anything. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.